Today I'm going to show you how to put artificial flowers into window boxes. Let's get started. I built this cedar window box, flower box, oh gosh, probably 15 years ago. Originally I had dirt in, I was going to have real flowers, but I forgot to water them, so I'm going to go artificial. But this window box is 5 inches deep and it's 6 inches wide. So what I'm going to do is cut. I'm going to use hardware cloth. This is fencing. These openings are 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. And I'm going to cut these at 10 inches wide. And they look like they're 2 feet long. You could do whatever length you want that you had or worked. You could probably also use chicken wire. And maybe roll it up and put it in the boxes, but I have this hardware cloth and I'm going to use that. So I recommend wearing some heavy leather gloves because this stuff likes to bite. I've already cut one piece 10 inches wide, so I'm going to mark that. And I'm going to cut it. Stuff likes to get hooked on everything. Where did the cut go? There we go. So I'm going to cut all the way through that, and then I'll show you how I bend it, put it into the window boxes. You're going to need a piece of hardware cloth for the top and the bottom of the box. I'll show you. Now that I've got all your cut, I'm going to bend it up about the same on both sides, and this piece will go down the bottom of the box. I'm going to bend it all the way across here, turn it around, and bend it so it'll fit into the box. This piece will go down in the bottom of the box. Like that. Push that down. Now grab another piece that's cut. I actually want to take and bend this. Not too far. A little bit. That in there like that. And then these artificial flowers push through the top part and then they catch down in the bottom. I'll show you on this end. Flowers go through the top wire and then they get anchored down in the bottom wire, and they might blow out once in a while, but my parents have been doing this for years and it works really well. So I'm going to cut the other pieces of the wire and put them in, and then put the flowers in, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. And there's the finished window boxes with the flowers in. They're artificial. From 10 feet away they look real, but yeah, kind of fun project. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.